welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing really well. Today, I'm ready for possibly the most important social event of the year, Prablene's wedding. If you follow her, then you'll know she's getting married. The same thing I wore for like my best friend's wedding like 2 years ago, and I decided to re-wear it. This is the makeups. I did like greenish red to match my whole situation, and yeah, I don't know, something I feel like is missing from the makeup, but we don't have time, so we're just gonna ignore it and get going. I will have a check-in with you about all the stuff that's been going on because I feel like I haven't vlogged since Korea, but for now we're gonna go to the wedding and have a great time, and I'll speak to you when I get some time. Oh, cute. Today in the morning? Yeah. Still shooting. Shooting.
I had to text her after every. This is what we do. It's a vlog. Guys, get over yourselves. Just influencer thing.
Guys, I'm having such a crazy busy day because I feel like the past week I didn't really do that much work. I guess like all the work piled up because of that, and so today I spent like a good chunk of my day just sitting and writing scripts for brands. I wrote like 4 scripts, and actually it really worked out because there was another shoot that I had to go for today, but it got cancelled last minute. It allowed me a lot of time to finish all of this pending stuff, and apart from that, I've just been like figuring out what I should post, when I should post it, and aligning a lot of things for the next week. And October was such a crazy busy month. I feel like as soon as I came back from Korea, I was like thrust into this storm of just constant things happening. And then the last week, even though it was like a little bit of downtime from work, there was still a lot of other stuff going on. So now I'm being thrust back into work. Do you get what I mean? That's where we're at today. So a big chunk of my task list is done for today, but I still have to go to the gym because my trainer's coming, and then I have to shoot a collab video, ideally edit it and send it off for approval as well today, and shoot maybe something else and prep the reel that has to go live today as well. So it's just a lot of things. If you've noticed, since Korea, I really switched up my aesthetic on Instagram. I feel like before, I've always wanted to do it, okay. Creating content requires a lot of time, okay. And for me to be able to post as often as I post, I just had to find a way to make it really quick and efficient. And for that, I had to just maintain like symmetry with my covers, because I also care about aesthetics. But that meant I wouldn't like experiment with my covers, it'll just be like rinse and repeat of the same thing. And I myself was like, I need to switch that up. And Korea really like lit a fire in me to change it, and I finally did. But there is so much work now that I have to do specifically for the looks. Do you get what I mean? Before I just knew like, oh, this is going here, that is going there, so it's going to look like this. But now it's like I don't even know. I want to experiment the different things that I'm putting as covers. So then I'm like having to shoot things differently, playing around with camera equipment, things like that, and it's a little bit more of a tedious process, I guess. My nails are so overgrown. I really want to go and change them. I got the Korea set removed, and I got this I think like 2 weeks ago, and it's overgrown now. I'm thinking if I should just remove it and not get anything done, but it is like back to back event season, and I feel like it'll be nice to have nails for that. Maybe I'm gonna go back to red. Not sure. I'm really craving some like salon time. Every now and then I just crave some salon time. It's such a good way to just like detox your brain. I haven't been reading at all. I think I said this in a previous vlog or somewhere. Basically, I had set up like goal for myself to finish like 20, 12, 25 books or something this year. But not happening, guys. It just got really busy, and it's like been really difficult for me to find time to read. And I'm such a mood reader, like binge reader. Like if I'm in the mood to read, I want to binge read. I'll like replace all my TV time with reading time. Talking about TV, I watched The Ripper, and I also watched um Monster, the Ed Gein story. That was so, 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 so good. Like, as a true crime person, I really, really enjoyed that show. And I feel like it was actually more palatable for me than Dahmer, even though Dahmer is also equally as gory. But I really like Monster so much. I think his story really fascinated me. So to like watch it come to life, I was like, wow. I binged it, I think, in like 2, 3 days or something like that. In between work, I would like exclusively be watching that, so it was really good. You should watch it if you can handle true crime, gory things, and yeah, like if you're an adult basically. Other than that, what else? I wanted to go on a full rant about like Indian clothing brands and how you like their pieces. Like I really like a lot of their pieces, but every time I've ordered from any Indian brand, it's such a pain because their return policy is non-existent. Like they don't even do refunds, so you have to get something else from their website, and then they take so long to pick it up and then so long to replace your piece. And it's just like, this is why we shop, at the mall. Because it's so convenient. You just go, you try it on, it fits you, you like the fit, and then you buy it. I just hate online shopping so much. It's such a pain. But I'm also coming to this realization that I constantly need clothes, like for some event or some function or something. I'm constantly needing clothes. So that means I need to get into like a cyclical rhythm of like every month ordering clothes or something like that, I guess. I don't know. I got a few pieces from an Indian brand. One, so obviously I had to return a few of it, as I said. So when it comes, I will show you. Yeah, other than that, my routine has been pretty much the same. I did not vlog. I mean, I only did 2 long form videos on YouTube in October because of just how crazy busy it was. So hopefully in November we get back to regular scheduling, but let's see. I'm not making any promises. I also had to take like a full break from Substack for the month of October because it was like just way too much for me to handle. Because it was Diwali and there was so many different campaigns, and at that point I was like, I really need someone to edit my videos. Oh my god. So yeah, that's what's going on up here. Wait, let's get on with the day. I have to go and change my clothes now because my trainer's coming.
Easy, easy. 7. Keep your ball holding you. 6.
Hello guys, it is now the evening. I was actually, remember I told you I have to shoot like a video. By the time I got back from the gym and I had my protein shake and I posted the post that had to go live today, I became extremely burnt out and tired. So now I'm watching a movie. I think it'll be a really good idea for me to just sit here and watch a movie and chill, you know? So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know what's going on in this vlog, to be honest. By the way, the movie I'm watching is called Humans in the Loop. It's so interesting, the premise. I don't know how it's gonna end or anything like that, but so far it's so interesting. Just, it's like so fascinating. Just Google it. I'm like so tired. I don't even want to explain the plot to you. Just Google it. Anyway, I'll see you in the morning.